been a ride that feels so right, you for the jacket. I know a big one bitch just like her brother.